Hello everyone, welcome back to Inside Edge Labs. Here we discuss data analytics, machine learning, SQL, Python, Power BI and Excel in simple and practical way. As we have started our new series to learn Microsoft Power BI from basic till the advanced part of it. So in this series you are not going to learn only Microsoft Power BI, but this series will help you to crack your PL300 certification as well. So let's try to see the same. So in this video we are going to see how to connect data from OneDrive to the Microsoft Power BI. So as I have uploaded this sample superstore Excel file to the OneDrive, which we have to connect to the Microsoft Power BI. If I open this data, I have three worksheets inside that particular Excel file. First one is related to the orders. Second one is related to the people. Third one, which is related to the returns. From these three worksheets, I want to load only these orders. So now, if I go to the OneDrive again, just click on this three dot, which we are able to see in front of your file name. Click on details. You will get details related to that particular file. Copy this path and go to the blank Power BI report. Here we have not loaded any data at the moment. Now click on get data, click on more, and now search for the OneDrive. Now you can see we don't have any connector specific for the OneDrive. Now how to load the data? Click on others, click on web, and click on connect. Now it will ask you for the URL. Now whatever the path which we have copied, that we are going to paste in that particular URL. I have pasted that particular path and click on OK. Now it will load all the worksheet from that particular Excel file. Make sure you have login with the same credential which you are using for the OneDrive and use that same credential for the Microsoft Power BI as well. So it has loaded all the worksheet from that particular Excel file and we want to load only orders. So click on orders and click on transform data. Now it will load that particular table from sample superstore which is stored on the OneDrive. So now you can see it has loaded that particular data to the Power Query. You can check the data type and all, and you can apply basic transformation if you want. Click on close and apply to connect this data from Power Query to the Power BI. It is loading the data. Now see, it has added this orders table to the data pane. If you want to see whole data, just click on table view, and now see we are getting the data from Microsoft OneDrive to the Microsoft Power BI. Now this data you can use for the reporting purpose. Now this is the way you can connect your data which is stored on the OneDrive to the Microsoft Power BI. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video.